Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, so hello, Lisa. Welcome to Panchara's class again. So, how are you today, Lisa?
Today I'm very happy because now I'm in my uncle house. It's my brother's room.
Oh, it's your brother's room. Okay. Well, what did you
Yes,
do? Why are you there at your uncle's house? What did you do there?
because tomorrow is my birthday. It's my sister's birthday.
Oh, and you will celebrate it there.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, it's fine. I understand. Okay. Okay, so
Okay.
now. So, do we have an assignment, Lisa?
Oh no, we don't have assignment.
Okay, we don't have an assignment today. Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Cô giáo chỉ đọc bất. Thưa, sao đến mặt rồi? Giờ này không đợi cô vào. Quá, quá chịu ơi.
Hello? Oh, unmute yourself. I'm sorry, Lisa. Okay, so now, Lisa, let us continue.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now today we were gonna have the KET2 Okay, T1, test 2, speaking again. Okay, so we're gonna develop your speaking skills. Okay, so in the part 1, so you will gonna ask, the examiner will ask you your name, where you come from, you work or study. Provide full sentences. Okay, so in this section 2, you'll be asked some questions that require longer answers. For example, why you like something, details about a hobby. Okay, so now part 2, these are the cue cards. Okay, so you ask and answer questions about based on the cue cards. So do not just read the cue cards, answer in full sentences, pay attention to the grammar. Now, okay. Now remember to add more details to your answer to make it longer. At least remember that at least remember. Okay, this one. Remember that in one question, you can provide 2 to 3 sentences. Okay?
Okay.
So remember that in one question, so take for example, where do you study? Okay, so to make your sentences longer, so you can add more details. Okay, so you can add more details. Okay, so now. Okay, so let us start. So I'm going to ask you these questions. Okay, so number 1. Where do you study?
Oh, I study in Westfield Secondary School.
I study in
secondary school.
Okay, so let's say in.
And my school is named Apple. Okay.
Okay. Number 2. What subjects do you study?
Do you study? What subject do you study? I'm study English, math, literature, physics, chemistry, music, and art.
Okay, so which subject do you like best?
Oh, I like art.
Now, what do you do at the weekends?
Oh, I'm at home and draw my pen and draw.
Is that all?
What?
Okay, now next to it is, who do you like spending time with?
Oh, is my mom.
Now, tell me about your best friend.
Okay, my best friend have a black long hair. She is very friendly. When me sad, she usually say, "Don't sad." When I'm crying,
When
say, "Don't
I
cry."
sad, she said,
When
don't.
she said, "Don't sad."
When I cry,
When I cry, she usually and she is she say don't cry. Cry. Like that.
Okay. There.
And
Okay. And when?
Okay. When she smiles, it's very beautiful.
Okay. So in this part, we will gonna, okay, so now, studies. Okay, so now let's start with, where do you studies, or where do you studies? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now where do you study? So number one, we can say, so where do you studies? Okay, so I study in secondary school. My school name is Apple. Okay, so I studied, okay, so I studied at Apple Secondary School. Okay, secondary school. Okay, now on this part, so you should say, to add more information, you should say your level, section, your level, section, you should say your level, section, big, small school, like that. Okay. Address of the school, address of the school. I studied at elementary, at secondary school. So it is located at Mango Street. Okay, Mango Street. Mango Street, Banana City. You can say that I studied at Apple Secondary School. It's located at Mango Street, Banana City. Okay, I am a, what grade are you? 7th grade?
What teacher?
What grade are you now?
What grade?
Yes, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8.
Oh, it's grade 6. Six, teacher.
Đây có một đứa chồng yêu không chú thì ngã mình phát đập đầu thầy cô.
Okay.
Okay, for a while. Apple Secondary. At Apple Secondary School. Located at address. It is a
Okay.
a big, small school where there are a lot of students who studied at this institution. Okay.
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 I
So
study at
yes, okay. So I studied at Apple Secondary School. It's located at Mango Street, Banana City. I am grade 6 student. So you should say your level, if it is the school is big or small, and you should also say the address of the school. And then there's another way to answer. So I am a grade 6 student at Apple Secondary School located at address. Okay, where it is located? At Banana Street, Mango City. It is a big or small school. where there are few or a lot of students who studied on this institution.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay, next is, now, what subjects do you study? Okay, which subjects do you study? Okay, so now, this is how will you start. Okay, for number 2. So, I learn many subjects. Okay, so you can subjects at school. Okay, or you can say I learn many subjects, or I learn a lot. I learn a lot, many or a lot of subjects. Okay, such as, okay, name the subject. Now, how will you add more? Add more information. Okay, add more details. Okay, I learned many or a lot of subject at school, such as, okay, so add more details. Okay, among this subject, okay, among all of this subject, okay, so the hardest subject for me is, okay, mention the subject. Okay, second sentence. But you can say, but I can study more, or that I will study hard so that I can learn more about on subject. Okay, so add more details. If it is the hardest or the easiest for you. Okay, now, so and then you can say, but I will study hard so that I can learn more on this subject. Okay, next is, which subject do you like best? Okay, so now, I like English best. Okay, so what is your answer? Which subject? I like art. So I like English the best. Okay, you read the example.
Oh, I like English best because it helps me
Communicate
communicate with English-speaking people around the world.
Okay, very good, with English speaking people around the world. Okay, now, so you say, I like art. Okay, now why do you like art? I like art the best because,
Because oh, oh, because art is easy. It's an easy subject, and I can draw. I can draw a beautiful pen. Yes.
I can draw beautiful pictures with my pen. Okay, now you can continue. So, when I draw, I feel relaxed and comfortable, since I love art. Okay, art made my day resourceful and interesting. Okay, so like that, you can add more details. So, okay, you can add more details. Now, what do you do at the weekends? Okay, so now, Okay, so what do you do at the weekend? So for example, you read the example, I usually
playing sports with my friends to keep fit and healthy.
Okay, so now your answer here is, okay, so I'm at home and I draw my pen. Or, okay, so I usually stays at home during weekend, okay, during the weekend, and draw some pictures with my pen. Okay, I usually stays at home. Okay, I do this because I can imagine a lot of things. Okay, and with that, okay, so because you can imagine a lot of things. Next, who do you like spending time with? Okay, your answer here is, it's my mom.
Oh,
Okay, so now you read the example. I like spending time.
I like spending time with my best friend, Layla. We often chit-chat about everything and help each other with our homework.
Okay, very good. So now you can say, I like spending time with my mom. Okay, with my mom. What do you do together? What do you do together with your mom?
Oh, I'm cooking with my mom and learn Japanese.
We often cook
We
food
often
together, and she taught me Japanese as well. Okay, that is our, and sometimes
sometimes
and most of the time. Okay, you can add, I feel like I'm always safe when my mom is around with me. Okay, you can say that too.
okay.
So now, your best friend. So the answer should be at least 3 sentences, helpful outline, and vocabulary about your best friend. So your best friend, okay, now, yes, okay, best friend, name, age, okay, nickname, younger, older, the same age, the same class, yeah, physical appearance, tall, thin, hair, long, short, curly, personality, kind, helpful, patient, supportive, trustful. Okay,
Okay.
now, next to it is physical appearance. Okay, so let's describe your friend. Okay, so your answer here is uh,
Oh, name.
mm,
She name.
okay, her name,
Her name is Jenny.
okay, is Jenny. Her name is Jenny. What is
Yes.
she, younger or older than you, or the same
Oh,
age?
oh, she and me is learn at a class. Oh, she is my classmate.
Okay, age. How old is she?
Oh, she is
Is she
11 years old.
how about you? How old are you, Lisa?
I'm 11 years old too.
Okay, so your name is Jenny, the same age with me and the same class too. Okay, so we go the same with me. So we go to the same school and the same class. Okay, now physical appearance. She has long or short hair?
Oh, she had a long hair.
Long, black, or
Yeah,
okay,
long black.
black, straight or curly?
Oh, it's straight.
Okay, so she has long, black, straight hair. Okay, she has long, black, straight hair, and she is very beautiful when she smiles. Okay, she is, okay, so we can say Jenny
Jenny
is very, okay, so you can add Jenny is very friendly,
yes.
very friendly to everyone and kind to me. Okay, when I'm sad, okay, she comforts me so that I won't feel sadness. Okay, now, and when I cried, she usually say, "Don't cry." Okay. Okay. Just like that. Okay, now. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, so let's practice some questions. Okay. So now, I'm going to send this one to you and then practice this at home. Okay, practice this at home. And we will gonna do this on our next meeting, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this one. Okay, this part. Okay, practice this at home and we will gonna what? You will gonna perform this next in our next class, okay? On Wednesday. Okay, so practice some more questions. So do you have much homework at home? Do your teachers often give you much homework? How much time do you spend? Do you, okay, don't write it in your notebook. I will just send it to your mom, okay? Do you have to take extra classes? How long is your summer vacation? Do you like going to school? Now let's have the speaking part. To asking and answering questions using this prompt card. Okay, so this is a prompt card or a cue card. Now, you are going to answer this one. Okay, with the question where, whose party, why, finish, and dance. And these are the informations. Okay, these are the informations. Okay, so do not just remember that, do not just read the card, but you have to answer it in a full sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Where?
Okay.
Where is the party?
Oh, it's in a garden room Grand Hotel.
Okay, so now let's start. Where? So there will be a party. Okay, you can start your sentence with there will be a party at Garden Room Grand Hotel. Whose party? Whose party?
Oh, it's Peter's.
At 8 p.m. Okay, whose party? It is
Peter.
Peter's. It is Peter's party. Why?
Why?
Oh yes, why? It is Peter's party, or it is hosted by Peter. Okay.
Oh, he passed his school exams.
Okay, it is Peter's party, or it is a party for Peter. Okay, or we can say it is a party for Peter. Okay, it is a party
Okay.
for Peter because he was able to pass his school exams. Okay. Now, what time does it finish?
Oh, it's 11, 11:30.
Okay, so it will be finished at 11:30. Okay, now dance.
That
Is there a dance?
what? Oh, I don't know.
Okay, can you see a word dance in the cue card?
Yes.
Okay, so dance. There will be dancing or there will be disco. Is there a disco there?
No.
Okay, so there will be a disco and it will be sounded by live music.
Okay.
So now there will be a party at Grand Room Hotel at 8 p.m. Okay. Okay. So state the address too. State the address of the hotel. Okay, now it is Peter's party. It is hosted by Peter, or it is a party for Peter because he was able to pass his school exams, and that exam was very, okay, so to make your sentence longer, was very important to him so that he can go to, let's say, medical school, or we can say, so, okay, you can state any possible reason. Okay, it will be finished at 11:30 p.m. So there will be a disco and will be sounded a live music that will make the attendees enjoy the party. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now let's another now. Okay, so this one.
Okay.
Okay. So now which part, where is the party held? So it is held in, okay, this one. It is held in garden room of Grand Hotel. Okay, or there will be, okay. Now, this is another way of answering that question. Okay, now, let's practice this one. The present. Okay, so you should answer the you should answer the questions. Who is the present for? Why does she get a present? What is the name of the book? How much is it? And what is the name of the shop? Okay? You will answer it in full sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll be giving you 2 minutes to think. Okay, write down the keywords of your answers. Think about it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be giving you 2 minutes to think. Are you ready to answer now?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so now let's start.
Okay. Who is the person for?
No need to read the question. Just answer directly.
Okay. Is Davy. Davy is the person for. She get a present because it's her birthday. The name of the book is English Made Easy. It is. It's not have money in this. Money in this? Oh, I don't know, teacher. How much it is? Because it needs not have money.
Let's say 4 pounds.
Pounds.
4 pounds.
4 pounds. Oh, why you know? The name of the book, the shop is Wise Bookshop.
The name?
The name of the shop is Wise Bookshop.
Wise Bookshop. Okay, so now your answers are very short, but it's okay because we can practice more. Okay, so now who is the present for? So we can say because okay, we can say the present is for David. Okay, he got the present because it is his birthday and it was from his friends. Okay, so it was from his friends. From all of his, the present is for David. So he got a present because it is his birthday and it was from all of his friends. Now, the name of the book is English Made Easy. Okay, so his friends choose this one because they know that he will gonna love it since David is studying hard in English. Okay, now how much does it cost? So it is cost, let's say 4 pounds. 4 pounds. Okay, 4 pounds. It is a cheap book. Since we can say cheap or expensive book. Since it was sale, it was on sale. Okay, or we can say it is expensive. It is an expensive, or if it is expensive, if it is an expensive book, okay, we can say okay, it is an expensive book since it is a limited edition book from the author and it was published with a few copies of it. Okay, now the name of the shop. So they bought it at, what's the name of the shop? So White's Bookshop, wherein we can see a lot of books there. Okay, see, now your sentence is now made longer. Okay, so now practice more at home. Okay, so I'm gonna send this to your mom. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, study more. Okay, practice more. Okay, so I will gonna include the question so that you can practice it at home. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, Lisa. See you next time. Bye bye and good night.